Hello guys. Hello. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope we're live as well. Hello guys. Hello. We're live as well. Yep. Everything is fine for now. Uh, I'm just watching and observing the chart. This is 1 minute time from chart on a Bitcoin. I'm watching right now, and right now I'm anticipating quite a bit of things that may played out. And the first thing I'm anticipating that this morning session market may do nothing on charts. Like it is possible that it could do anything, like could go up, could go down as well, maybe, who knows. But I'm in a more of a like concern thinking about like maybe more of like down a big move toward upward side, a big move toward downward side. I'm not anticipating today. There are quite a bit of things I will discuss with you on bigger picture time frame as well, but not a maybe 500 $600 move possible from charts, but 1,000 or maybe $2,000 move on upward side or downward side $2,000 move is more of like unlikely to me on today's morning session on charts. But if you watch out, this has been quite bullish for a second from here toward upper side. This was the value area low of the range. I was anticipating at this range to come down to this weekly fair value gap and daily fair value gap, then hold this area, then try to be bullish. But it left those lows in play, did not come down as well at this range, went up toward upper side. This was value area low of the range as well. Hold this daily low, go up, hold this 4 hour time frame fair value gap low as well, and then slowly and steadily went toward upper side to all the way to this value area high and up 4 hour time frame fair value gap high as well. We have this weekly high and daily high as well at this range. So just on a bigger picture time frame, I'm anticipating that for the bearish case scenario, the way market is creating local lower highs at in these ranges, it is possible that at this area we can anticipate a local top on charts. Market could create local top, and then we can anticipate a pullback toward downside side from here, major pullback toward downside, like the way it has created at this range. And at the end, if it do like this, it will be like staying inside this range. The way it is forming like that, it could be like this kind of price action. It could form like that. This is more of like a concern. I'm more of like leaning into this kind of price action. The second reason is we this is the last week of July going on. For the whole month, market has been bullish. Last month we have not really much news as well on charts. Today is 22. We have not really a big news on charts as well. 23, 24. Tomorrow Wednesday we have no news. Thursday we have a news as well on charts. So that's why I'm in a more of a like concern that we have not really a big news. Next week we have a quite bunch of big news on charts. CPF for non-farm employment, interest rate, all that, Fed meetings as well. Next week is the first week of the will be the last, like officially last week of the July, and the first week of the a couple of days first week of August as well coming up. And that's why I'm in a more of a like concern thinking about that this week we may not anticipate a big price action move, maybe toward upper side, and we can anticipate pullback toward down. Look at this, it is going down from here toward low levels. It just show rejection from this upward level of the 4 hour time frame. Just just watching this price action from here, the way it has gone toward upper side, I'm anticipating continuation toward upper side from here. Like I was like, it should have to knock this high, but it is after these highs we have those all-time highs, which is unlikely to me. That's why I'm in a more of like concern at this range. It could create local top on a chart. If you watch a previous high on charts, previous high is this one on charts. The way the one it has created just now show rejection from this range, And the way, look at this, the way market has gone down from this range aggressively toward lower levels, keeping this, no, keeping this fair value gap open. So we can anticipate that, oh my god, the way it has shown rejection from this range. This is what I was watching, like what is the previous high on charts. If this previous high is the local top, if this is the top on charts, it should have to aggressively tends to go down, not to show any intent to go above this high. And look at this, it has shown aggressive downside price action from here, and this is a 30-minute time frame fair gap as well. If market has to create like this kind of price action in here, the one I have just explained to you, it should have to be tends to be going down, inverting this 30-minute time frame fair gap as well, try to go toward low levels. This is the, we have, this is a Saturday high. We have, this is the Sunday high. This is Sunday high on charts. These are the highs, are the Sunday highs on charts. But definitely, because this local structure is bullish, technically speaking, we will be looking for bullish for a second from this range toward upper side, but it did not has to go toward upper side. I feels like it will be going toward downward side. From maybe it could stay inside this range for a couple of time, like stay inside this range, but it is more of like going down from a toward toward. I'm definitely, I was already leaning bearish today on charts, looking for lower levels. Just the reasons I have just explained to you. And I was not at all, I was not confident on this bullish price action the way it has gone toward upper side. I'm not at all confident to be bullish as well on charts. And most of the retail trader will be bullish because of this structure on charts, because this structure on charts is going up, but it has to go down. And smart money knew they will send the price toward lower levels from here. So they just look at this initially. This is where most of the retail trader will tap. They will anticipate market has come down, gone up, knock these previous lows. We are already bullish. They will buy. They will look for these highs, those highs, and they will anticipate continuation toward upper side. And what market has done at this range? Just went toward upper side when everyone is bullish, boom, straight away going down. It did not need to make a retest to the previous resistance and then go down. It has to go down. That's it. Because smart money is trading right now. That's why it has to go down to or low levels from here. And I cannot jump into any kind of trade right now. You can't. And which is very difficult to trade, technically speaking, which is very difficult to trade, because at this point market is trading. Okay, you have seen rejection, the market has come down. At this point as well, you don't know like if market will continue to be bearish or hold this area and then try to be bullish, what actually it will do. But look at this, it has shown rejection. It has shown rejection from the upward level of the 4-hour time frame fair value gap, and market come down. It created this fair value gap, yeah. And I was watching the just this per second from at this point as well. You don't know like if market will be aggressively going down from here, or what, how it will perform for further per second. Maybe it could hold in this area then be bullish. Overall, it is still bullish. Maybe hold this area then be bullish as well. But look at this. It went aggressively toward low levels from here. Very difficult to trade this kind of price action as well on charts. Difficult, not easy, because you don't know what time you have to enter, and your stop loss will be at the moment you'll try to enter. Market will is like at this point, if you go to entry, go for a short at this range, the stop loss will be where will you put your stop loss, like above this high? It's too far, you're risking too much. At this point we don't know if market has just shown rejection. You don't know what if this is a top or on a market or not. This part we are trying to figure